In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Jira API URL. This will be a quick and focused guide, but I'll walk you through each piece so you understand not just what to click, but what you're actually looking at. By the end, you'll know where to find the base URL you need for Jira API calls, and how it fits into the bigger picture of working with Jira programmatically. First, open your browser and go to your Jira site. This will usually look something like your company or project name, followed by Atlassian.net, and then /Jira. If you're already logged in, you should land on your Jira Home or For You page. If not, go ahead and log in with your Atlassian account so that you can access your workspace. Once you're on the Jira homepage, draw your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where your Jira URL is displayed. The most important part for the API is the base of this URL, which typically looks like https yourdomain.atlassian.net. Everything after that, such as Jira or For You, is just the path for the specific page you're on. To get your Jira API URL, you essentially combine this base domain with the standard Jira API path. For modern Jira Cloud sites, that path usually starts with our REST API 3 or REST API latest, depending on the version you're using. So if your Jira site is hosted at https yourdomain.atlassian.net, your API base URL would be https yourdomain.atlassian.net REST API 3. The steps here are simple. Go to Jira, confirm the domain you see in the browser, and understand that this domain becomes the first part of all your API requests. You don't have to dig through complicated settings pages to find it. It's right there in the URL bar every time you open Jira. It's a good idea to copy this base URL and store it somewhere safe in your project documentation, especially if you're going to be working with integrations, automation tools, or custom scripts. Just remember, while the base URL is safe to share within your team, you should never include any sensitive information like passwords or API tokens when you document your setup. That's all you need to get your Jira API URL